Today, we are in Ironwood. Right now, we're at Big Powderhorn, and then next up, we're going to Mount Zion. We have so much to cover. Let's go. You ready? Yeah. There's something about it that as soon as I get on the hill, it brings me back to that kind of joy of just getting outside and exploring and having fun. It's so perfect for me. I love this sport. I'll continue to do it forever. So our goal is to hit as many of these as we possibly can in the next 4 hours. The chute that we went through, what do they call that, Louis chute? Yeah, that one was tough. You know what, that's for somebody, but that one, it got me. Years ago when I first started snowboarding, it was all about what kind of tricks could I do, how high could I fly, but also wreck really hard. I still love little tiny side hits and trying little nose butters. I don't even know if you could call what I'm doing a nose butter. It's more like a nose margarine, butter adjacent.
I can't believe it's not butter.
I can't. And that right there, that was a nose margarine. As we ride up this lift, I'm going to tell you just a little bit more about Big Powderhorn and some of the stats and facts about it. One thing that's worth noting about this particular resort, look how wide these trails are. They're awesome. If you just want to go, flow, carve down big, long, open runs, this is perfect. Since we're on the subject of resort features, here are a few more according to their site. 45 trails, 9 chairlifts, 253 skiable acres, 2 terrain parks, and of course, food. There are 2 full-service restaurants, but in this case, we decided to stick with the cafeteria and a beverage after. I'm going to do the chicken strips with the fries and drink.
So we got lunch, but she just told me that their breakfast sandwiches are their best-selling item.
No?
So, good to know.
Like, there's some that are like novelty Bloody Marys, and then there's some that are like good bloody, like this is like a good one. You still have an asparagus, a pickle, an olive. The pickled asparagus is a nice touch. Bad ones are really bad. Good ones are really good. This one's good.
That last run was my favorite run so far. Musket. So, I want to do that one again.
Yep. We're at Mount Zion, which is located on the Gogebic Community College's campus. It is a very unique one because it is ran and operated by the students here.
You know, it's crazy to think about all the things you can go to school for to learn how to do, whether it's like this, like a ski area management. Like, you have to learn this stuff somewhere. And this is cool because you don't just learn it in a classroom. You get to learn it like out on the actual hill.
Can you imagine that you get to practice, say, running one of the groomers and maintenance and snow and how to make snow, and then 20 minutes later, you get to go up the lift and test it out yourself to see if you did a good job? The feedback would be awesome. GCC's stats read as follows: 10 slopes, a tubing park, 300 feet of vertical drop, free cross-country ski trails, and in the summer, they have disc golf. Now, we're gonna go take another run. There's a variety of different runs here. Some of them are pretty challenging. Other ones, they've planned it enough that you loop around that you get a pretty nice long run with some good turns. I'm impressed.
This is called Park Road, and now that I have been told that this is the road that leads up to the top of this in the summer months, it makes a lot more sense, because there's the platform right there that we went and stood on, and we stood here and looked down and said, oh, the ski hill's right here. That just all came together.
I mean this when I say it. I think Ironwood is underrated as far as people coming up and enjoying it. It's like, this is one of the top spots for me. I absolutely love it. In the summer, you've got the falls and awesome hiking. In the winter, I mean, you get all of this. And then every single season has something special to come here and do. I absolutely love it.